Yes, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat mga kabasketballista. Welcome back sa ating liga. Ang
Create some momentum right here against the gritty Cagayan de Oro as Bastila for Capiz. Another crap fakes it.
Ang gandang agaw nun. Intercept. Nagmamadali Casino. Aatake pa. Bitin. Kaliwag. Agaw. Ang ganda. Side step. Casino. Good for...
Very intimidating half-court trap here incorporated by Cagayan de Oro. Felasol swings it. Felasol wide open for three. Directing traffic for Team Capiz. They go to Lagtaka. There we go, the boys. As Pactor goes to his big man Lorenzo. Who will miss that, Gimme? Another miss for Capiz, but Lorenzo Vinson.
Bola double team. Bigay ang bola sa ilalim. Ang gandang pasa. Libre. Good for...
Lorenzo. And he will complete the... Avellino collects the ball for Team Capiz. Go to Lorenzo. Running down low. Sordilia.
Mutia, crossover move. Escalante, drop shot. Good for two.
To Valenzuela. Sprays it. Easy left. Sordilia calmly sinks the second. Valenzuela with a strip. Valenzuela with a miss. Avellino.
Escalante for rebound. Escalante, didiskarte. Sa elbow, tumira ng dos. Good for two.
By Valenzuela there.
Mutia, nagmamadali. Mutia, susubok ang dress. Bang! Good for two.
Man by Antonio here. Goes to the left side of things. We go to Pactor.
13 seconds on the shot clock.
And the things over for Capiz. Avelinos.
18 seconds on the shot.
Kaya ngayon, balik na naman sa atin Capiz ang bola.
Yes, as Avellino will make some plays. Avellino switches it.
Traveling violation, partner. Babalik ang bola sa team ng CDO. Oy, naaga, partner.
Felasol.
Yes. Agawan ng bola.
Avellino corrals it. Avellino, beautiful move. Only to miss it, but Lorenzo.
Sabi nga, bilog ang bola. Hahabol ang team CDO.
Will miss it.
Nagmamadali, libreng-libre. Good for two. Top.
26-47 score in favor by 20.
Agawan ng bola. Kaya mapupunta, number 5. Nagmamadali. Top board na naman. Dahan-dahan lang. Nabitawan. Agawan ng bola.
Lantica with a strip. Momentum.
Ang
strip
gandang
there.
sundot. Fast break. 3 on 2. Canlas, lumayab. Good for 2 pa. Agaw naman. 4 on 1. Nagmamadali. Good for 2. Agaw naman ni Casino. Casino nagmamadali. Atake layab. Good for 2.
Avellino. 10 to shoot for Capiz.
8 seconds to shoot.
Avellino, easy two.
Yeah, number 15. Crossover. Atake sa gitna. Pabitan kaliwa. Good for 2. Over. Canlas, nabitaw. Nakuha niya ang bola. Atake sa gilid. Pabitan. Kapos lang. Nakuha number 9 sa ilalim. Good for 2.
Senior basketball.
Ramos sa ilalim. Good for 2.
Good shot.
For Capiz, as per Coach Gerald, they just need to maintain their defense. According to Coach
Live here inside the warehouse for the second half of things.
The 3.
Open senior.
Mutia. Diskarte sa gitna kay Dael. Ang ganda.
Airballs it.
Nagmamadali Escalante. Easy 2-4. Isco. Medyo malakas lang ang tit sa ilalim.
Sordilia corrals it. They go to Avellino. Who will take it home?
Number 9. Acrobatic.
So, back to the Silag. Beautiful.
Casino. Didiskarte. Basket kick.
Avelino.
Third quarter.
Takes that step back to the Silag. The Silag with a strip. The Silag will take it by himself for two.
First, mahina ang tira. Balik sa abis ang bola.
The Silag run away to
13.
Ilya.
Ang gandang depensa mga kasama, mga kabasketball. Casino ko sa overmove. Nagmamadali. Ang ganda, lumusot. Team CDO. Escalante sa ilalim. Number 3, ang gandang ikot nun. Pasabit. Good for two.
Sordilia.
Steal by Rosete.
Kamongo was stripped there.
Casino. Good for two.
The foul trouble situation.
Escalante, screen by Rondina. Susubok sa tres. Out ang bola, didiskarte. Humingi ng screen by Rosete. Escalante, naiwan ang bantay. Good for two. Dahil sa back-to-back puntos ni Escalante, lamang na sila. To Escalante. Escalante ang main man ng CDO crossover move. Ang gandang dribble. Peke, good for two. Casino, nagmamadali, reverse. Malaas nga lang. Riba ni Mucha.
Minutes and 15 seconds to go. 14 seconds to on the shot clock.
Valenzuela will try for two.
Crossover, Mr. Step. Screen by Dael.
6 minutes and 5.
Mucha, susubok sa tres. Bang!
Avelino. Strong.
Punagaw.
Avelino making their stop there. Avelino will score. Tied at 79.
All 79.
Minute natin. 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Okay, both team under penalty situation with 1 minute and 19 seconds to go for this matchup.
And the Silag will make it.
Good for 2 points.
At 17 on the shot clock, 28 on the game clock.
13.
Avelino
Shot
to
clock
the
there.
Silag. Drops it to Filasol.
Last free throw 1.
The Silag collects the rebound for Capiz.
Escalante. Natabla. Nakakuha ng foul. Ilang
Number
court
4
nakakuha pa
going
ng
for
foul.
winning jersey number 6.
Kabalik sa free throw line. Unang tira. Pasok. 13.3 seconds tayo mga kabasketballista. Laman ng isa ang Capiz. All 81 tayo. Time out. Team Capiz.
Time out. Team Copy.
Make the excellent play down the wire. Avelino
5.
will use the Kamongol screen.
3.
Avelino with 3 to shoot. Avelino pulls up for a 3. And we are headed to overtime. High octane basketball between Cagayan de Oro and Capiz. Beautiful.
Good pass.
Huli. Dasilag.
The Silag does it. Basketball offense for Cubbies. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
The Silag series of dribble.
For 83
Kanlas
James Devon
agaw.
on top your team Cubbies.
The Silag. Smooth as
Lamang ng dalawang team Capiz sa team CDO.
3 minutes and
Aliyo
20.
play. Good for...
Inside.
What a play.
For 5
the
minutes
Silag.
only.
Strip there.
Agaw. Kasi niya nagmamadali. Kasi niya bumitbet. Good for two pa. Mayok ang bola. Humingi ng screen. Kasi niyo umatake. Good for two by Casino.
On the stretch as Avelino will direct traffic for them. The Silag makes his way. Basket is good for the Silag.
Good for
The Silag now.
2 minutes. Last 2 minutes sa ating laro. Casino. Fan. Babalik sa linya si Casino. Sa dalawang free throw. Unang free throw ni Casino. Pasok. Seconds. Pangalawang free throw ni Casino. Number 15 ng Team CDO.
1 minute and 56 seconds remaining time for
Pasok
this
ang
last
pangalawa.
second.
The Silag with the board. The Silag looking for some coast-to-coast action. And the Silag will miss it.
Rebound ni Rondina. Number 4.
1 minute
Rondina, bigay ang bola.
1
Escalante.
minute and 5.
Foul! Ang 8 ang ating official score. Remaining time,
For this
1
5
minute
minutes
and
OT,
5
1
seconds.
minute and
Unang
5.
tira,
Running score 91 against 88.
mahina. Pangalawang free throw ng Escalante.
That's in the front of free
Wala.
throw. No good again.
Oh, for them. They're down by 3. Talking about Capiz.
13 seconds on the
And
shot.
Taka will miss.
Casino makambola.
40 seconds to go.
Casino nasundot.
91 against 88.
Foul!
3 points by
First
the
free throw ni
Negros
Casino.
Oriental
Ating
and
makikita
Team
kung
Aklan.
mapasok o hindi. Pasok
First
ang
free
unang
throw by
tira ni
Good
Casino
for
dahil
one by your team.
remaining time natin 38.3
Okay,
seconds
City
sa
or
ating
CDO.
overtime. Pangalawang tira. Pasok ang
Last in the
pangalawa.
front free
Seconds left. Avellino pulls up for 3. Straight iron.
25.
Casino nagmamadali. Casino bubitbit. Foul! Ang pinakita ng Team CDO dito,
18.4
tiwala lang sa
seconds
kakampi,
remaining time.
puso, bilis,
First
at
Speed and their courage on the court.
Last in the front of
Casino,
free
the
throw,
likes of
94
Casino and
against 88
Escalante.
score.
Also the injured.
40 seconds remaining time.
And that
2-1. At dyan nagtatapos ang laban ng CDO at sa